and I welcome you all to today's video where we'll be analyzing how I made a little over 84,000 today. Alright, so the main profits came from this trade, which was the I went long on the Nifty futures basically. Alright, and one of my SL was hit in the morning, and this is somewhere I've invested basically Adani Power. Alright, so let's look at the chart and let's try to understand. Okay, so Nifty today basically opened a huge cap up, which got sold into like in 15 minutes. All right, and over here somewhere this candle, when we were trying to break the low, you see a long wick, and somewhere something like a double bottom was formed, and again we, third time we came to test the support area, but we bounce back somewhere from here. All right, so what happens in this scenario is basically all these shorts which were carrying their positions right from here, so when they do not see any continuation, the short covering, they try to book their shorts. All right, so when I was studying the option data at the same time, so 18,000 had a lot of open interest. Basically a lot of people had sold 18,000 calls and 17,850 puts. All right, so when these when these candles basically started forming, the breakout of this neckline, basically 17,920 started taking out on the upside. This is when people now there would have been two scenarios basically. Whoever had shorted the 18,000 calls, for a protection they started shorting the at the money puts, which were 18,000. All right, and 17,900, a lot of people started selling puts. Sorry, and at the same time, the 18,000 people who had shorted the call options, even they started to square off the positions. So the structure was looking bullish basically. All right, so this is where somewhere I entered with 500 quantity, and I added my positions. But before that, we need to understand this. Somewhere here I went, basically I shorted puts in Bank Nifty, as just to take an advantage of the IV spike. But when we broke the low, my SL got hit basically, and we ended up recovering. So my view was bullish from the beginning, but I accepted my losses when they were small. At the same time, Nifty gave me good profits, right? I holded my winners basically. All right, so yeah, uh, basically a good, I exited somewhere around when this consolidation started taking place. I know that we are going to open cap up tomorrow, but I don't want to take the risk home, right? So yeah, this was the explanation for today. Good 150 point rally. I basically, I'm happy that I could carry the whole positions for such a long time. A great rate to start the week, right? Yes, so it's all about holding on to your winners basically. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something through it. I hope it was fun to watch. Thank you so much for watching, guys.